Welcome to 7 Swallow Drive in the wonderful community of Evergreen at Hamilton. This home is one of the largest models in the development, the Boxwood model. It's priced below market. Here's your chance to get a great buy. It's a HUD owned home with preference to owner occupants first. No home sale contingencies. But it's priced at $450,000. It's a full single-family detached home, 1-car garage. You have a nice front covered porch. We'll take a walk around the outside. It's also on a premium location backing up to private woods, which is very unique for this development. It's all one-level living. It does include a full basement. And it's quite spacious down there for lots of additional space. The square footage of this home is 1,563 square feet. And as you can see here, beautiful, quiet, peaceful, private rear yard location. Younger central air. You have a fully screen enclosed deck. And we'll go back around to the front. You have water outlets and hose racks on both sides of the house. Nice landscaping. Motion sensor lighting. Nice quality forever storm door. Steel insulated front door. Look at the massiveness of the open feel on this home. Huge living room, dining room combination. Great room. Perfect for entertaining. You have lots of recessed lighting. Bountiful kitchen with a center island. This is the only model that offers that. And that's quite a contemporary demand nowadays. Breakfast area. Appliances are gone. You can upgrade them to today's standards once you move in. There's also special financing available since this is a HUD-owned home, that all you have to do is qualify for the loan. If you take an FHA, owner-occupied loan, your down payment requirement is only $100. And you can use both renovation financing, repair escrow financing, or just standard FHA loan to close it easily. This way you can keep your cash in your bank for enjoying life. Laundry room here. Nice sized garage with some extra storage space off to the side. Easy access electrical. Some nice shelving. You have Verizon Fios here, which is a big plus. because of its reliability and speed. You don't have to deal with cable. Here's a full basement. But what's nice, you have everything that you need on the main level. Ample space, nice high 9-foot ceilings. Full French drain system with sump pump. And no water issues. Head back up the stairs. Primary bedroom, oversized. You have a full security system wired in. Nice ceiling fans with 4 lights kit, ample size. You also have the nice luxury tray ceiling. Huge walk-in closet. Well-appointed primary bathroom with his and her sinks. A little place for dressing vanity, makeup vanity. Upgraded jacuzzi tub with jets. Nice private overlooking the backyard. Peaceful setting. Excellent condition shower. Have a nice, bright second bedroom. Ceiling fan with light kit. Nice double closet. Here's a whole closet, pantry. You have another guest coat closet up front. Common bathroom. Again, nicely styled, spacious, full-size linen closet. Contemporary lights. Real nice stall shower. You also have a spacious attic up above, and there is an attic fan. 100% as-is condition. Owner occupants get priorities for the first 15 marketing days. So don't wait on this. Again, it's way below market and pretty much move-in condition with the exception of some minor opportunities to upgrade. Can't beat this one.